Good morning students, this is Jagdish from Shrestha Vidya Bhavan. Now we are discussing the 7th class. In 7th class, the first chapter integers. In the previous class, we had already explained about the operations of integers. Okay, the operations of integers we have already explained in the previous class. That is the operations we have known about the 4 operations in the integer, that is the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are the. In the previous class, we are at directly the numbers. Okay, that means for example minus 3 minus 2 is equal to the, what is the resultant answer here? Directly we say that it is minus 5. Like that means minus 2 plus 3 is equal to the, what is the answer? 1 plus 1. Directly we have done in the previous class of addition, subtraction, multiplication and divisions. Okay, now we are talking about the representation of integers, represent operations of integers on a number line. That means these are the operations of first one, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, now we have to represent the operations of integers on a number line. Okay, we have to draw the number line, each one, every operation, and we have to do the addition of integers on a number line, and subtraction of integers on a number line, and the multiplication of integers on a number line, and last one, division of integers on a number line. First we have to learn about the what is the represent on the addition of integers on a number line. Okay, the first one is in the addition. How to represent on the number line? First of all, for example, take one example about the addition of numbers. That means 3 plus 2. Okay, 3 and 2 are both are integers. Okay, we know that directly to the value is equal to 5. Okay, 3 plus 2 is equal to directly 5. We have to learn about now. We have draw a number line, and it is indicated in the center of the line. It is indicated with 0, and right side of the number line positive integers, and the left side of the number line negative integers with the equal number of parts. Like that, first of all, 3. What is here? The number 3. Where it is? It is starting from the positive. Positive means it is an addition. Addition means it is a forward direction. Forward. We have to move the forward direction on number line. Move the forward direction on number line. Forward direction to the number line. That means 0 plus 3. It is the forward direction. That means 3. Up to 3, the first number. And plus 2. Additional 2. That means additional means it is also a forward direction. The addition means forward direction. We have to move the forward direction on the number line. That means plus 2 means 3 plus 2. That means 3 plus 2 means 3, 4, 5. That means 3 plus 2, it is 5. The resultant answer is 5, and it is a forward direction, and the answer is exactly with the number 5. And 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, and it is the result is 5. Okay, now we represent on the number line, the answer is 5. Next one, see the another example of the. See the another example of the. From the example 2, take the two negative integers. That means we have to add the two negative integers. That means take -3, -2. Okay, these are the negative integers we have to add. That means here let's solve -2 like that. -3 plus -2. That means now we have to show on the number line. It is the number line that indicates that in the middle 0, and it is left side of the number line -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and right side of the number line positive integers of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Like that, first we have to then the -3. Okay, in the -3, it is the forward direction about the forward direction in the left side of the 0. This is the forward direction about the left side of the 0. That is the -3. And next we have to add the -2 number. That means we move to the -2 value -3, -4, -5. That means here is the -5, and we have to move to the forward direction, the left side of the 0 on the number line. That means what is the resultant answer here? -5 is the resultant answer. That's why here also we have to add -3. That means plus into here, both are multiplication in the place of bracket, plus into minus, minus. That means -3, -2, that is equal to answer is -5. Like that, we have to show on the number line. That means first of all, the left side of the 0, it is the forward direction of on the number line 0 to -3. That is the first number, and the second number we have to add the -2 number. That means in the forward direction of the left side of the 0 on the number line. That means 1, 2. That means -3, -2. What is the answer? -2. First of all, add positive integers. Add positive integers. You move right on the number line. Right on the number line. That means in the first example, we are adding two positive integers. That means we have to move right on the number line. That's why in the second example, that means add two negative integers. Add negative integers. Add negative integers. You move left on the number line. Left on the number line. That means add two positive integers, you move right on the number line. And next one, add negative integers, you move left on the number line. Okay. Next one is subtraction. Subtraction of integer on a number line. Take an example. First example, 3 minus 2. Okay, 3 minus 2. Then we have to show on the number line. That means it is to the center 0, 1, 2, 3, and the left side of the number line -1, -2, -3. Like that, first of all, it is the +3, positive 3. Where it is +3 means? +3 means it is the +3 means it is a forward direction, the addition. That means it is the +3 addition of 0 to 3. Next one, minus 2. Minus 2 means it is the backward direction. How many numbers we have to subtract? That means 1, 2. How many? 2 we have to subtract 2 numbers. First 1, 2. That means it is the backward direction about the subtraction. Backward direction. Backward in the subtraction. That means what is the resultant answer here? Where it is stopped. That means plus 1, positive 1. Positive 1. It is the, we are showing the, on the number line, that is the first one 0 to 3 plus 3, and the subtraction of minus 2, that means it is the backward direction of 2 numbers, 1, 2. 2 numbers. What is there? The resultant answer is in the stoppage of on the number line 1. That is the answer 1. Like that, in the subtraction of positive integers, subtraction of positive integers, move to left side of number line. Left side of number line. Subtraction of positive integers, move to the left side of the number line. And next example 2. Okay. From the second example, minus 3, minus of minus 2. Okay. Those are the negative integers we have to subtract. Those are the negative integers we have to now subtract. That means what is the direct answer here? Minus 3 minus into minus. That means plus 2 plus 2, and answer is the minus 1. Like that, take a number line. Okay, number line 0, 1, 2, 3, and this is the left side of minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 3. Now, what is the first number? Minus 3. Minus 3 means it is the backward direction, or we have to follow the down. It is the backward direction, about the subtraction, backward direction. Then it is the minus of minus 2. That means minus of minus 2 means it is plus 2. Plus 2 means we have to go for the forward direction. It is the addition of 2. That means addition of 2 means we have to add 2 numbers. That means 1, 2. Add the forward direction in the 1, 2 numbers. And what is the resultant answer is minus 1. It is the answer for the minus 1 is the answer for the subtraction of 2 integers. These 2 integers minus 3 minus of minus 2. That's why subtraction of negative integers move to right side of number line. Right side of number line. By observing the first example and second example, that is in the first example, we know that the subtraction of positive integers move to the left side of the number line, and in the second example, we have to observe that subtraction of negative integers move to the right side of the number line. And next one is the go forward through the the multiplication of integers on a number line. Next one is the multiplication of integers on a number line. For example, take an example of the multiplication, that means 3 into 2. Both are in the positive integers. That means we have to multiply these positive integers. That means the resultant answer is 6. 3 into 2 equal to 6. We have to show on the number line that indicates a number line which is having the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here negative 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 4, like that. Okay, now in this, how we have to multiply? How we have to multiply? In this, we do not multiply on the number line. Why? Because of here the multiplication of 3 and 2 means it is the 3 into 2 times. 2 times of multiplication. That means we have to write as in the addition process. That means we have to write in the addition process 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. What is the answer? 6. That means 2 times we have to add in the 3, the number 3, we are adding the 2 times of number 3. That means 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Like that, here also we are taking about the addition process, that is the forward direction of the number line. That means first we have to take as a 3. 0 plus 3, it is in the forward direction of the right side of number line. And next 3 is the second type 3. That means it is the addition process of number line, forward direction. And where it is stopped? On the number line, it is stopped on the 6. That's why it is the resultant answer is 6 in the multiplication of number line. We have to see the another example in this multiplication. Okay, next another example, second example of the multiplication. That means, take one example, that means minus 2 into 3. Minus 2 into 3. How we have to multiply here? The answer we know that minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. Okay, in the addition process, in the direction, that means minus 2, how many times we have to add here? In the forward, minus 2, we have to add 3 times of, that means minus 2 into 3 times. We have to add, that means 3 times we have to add, that is minus 2, and minus 2. This is one time, second time, third time. Like that, what we are adding, this is the answer is minus 6. Like that we have to addition of the number line, in the multiplication of number line. Now we are doing on the number line that indicates 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Okay, now the first one, what is the number here? Minus 2. Minus 2 means where it is? In the backward direction. We are coming to the, it is the minus, that's why we have to write in the backward direction negative, like this. It is the minus 2 one time, and the next second time minus 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, minus 2 here, and next 1, 2, it is the backward direction of second time minus 4. And next one we have to add another minus 2, that means in the backward direction, that is the third time we are adding, that means minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. What is the answer here? Minus 6. Like that, we are multiplying the times in the addition of number line. Okay, this is the answer for the minus 6. Resultant answer is minus 6. Okay. Okay. Next one is the come to the point of division of integers on a number line. For example, take an example of a division. That means 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3. How we have to divide 6 divided by 3? How many times? 2 times it is equal to divided. That means we are subtracting here. That means 6 minus 6 equal to 0. The remainder is 0. And how many times it is? 2 times. Okay, 2 times. And we are dividing the 3. That means what is the answer here? 2. 2 is the answer. Like that, we are showing on the number line 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now in this division, we are doing the subtraction. That means backward direction. Okay, we are doing the subtraction of the number line. That means here it is a 6. The number is 6, and we are subtracting how many times? 6 minus 3. Okay, 6. How many times? 3. That means first time it is the 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we are subtracting the minus 3. We are subtracting the minus 3 at one time, and again we are subtracting the minus 3 at one time. That means 1, 2, 3. That means again we are subtracting here another time. It is the second time. That means we got the remainder 0. We got the remainder 0 here, and division of how many times? It is 2 times. It is the one time, and it is the second time. That means 2 times. Now we are dividing the 2 times. That means 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. And what is the answer now? Is equal to 2. 2 is the answer by dividing the quotient. And next one, 0 is the remainder. 0 is the remainder. See the second example. See the second example about minus 4 divided by sum 2. Okay, or minus 2. Take minus 2 like that. That means that is equal to minus 4 divided by minus 2. How many times it is cancellation? 2 times. Minus minus indicate cancellation. And what is the answer? 2. 2 is the answer. That means we are dividing now 2 times. That means subtraction of 2 times on the number line. That means take a number line 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. And it is a forward direction 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now minus 4. Where it is? First one indicates minus 4, and it is in the direction of the right side. That means minus 4. How many? Minus 2. Minus 4, minus 2. That means 2 times 1, 2. This is the one time. Sorry, this is the first time. We are subtracting the minus 2, and the next we are subtracting the minus 2 in the another time. That means this is the second time. That's why we are subtracting 2 times. The answer is 2. Okay, what is here? 4 divided by 2. That means divide 4 divided by 2 means 2 times. It is 4. Subtraction of 4. And the remainder, it is the remainder 0. Like that, in this first minus 4, subtract minus 2. That means minus of minus, it is the forward direction. Minus into minus plus, like that, it is forward direction. Minus subtraction 1, 2, minus 2. Next we are subtracting second time minus 2. That means 1, 2. That's why it is the remainder. The remainder is 0. But how many times you have to write as the number 2 times? That is equal to, the answer is 2. Okay. Thank you, students. Okay, these are the operations of integers on a number line. Okay, in the next class we are learn about the properties of integers. Thank you. Have a nice day.